Hello kids, how are you? So, do you remember me, your old teacher? Yes, I'm here to teach you EVS. So, today's topic is food. So, what do you mean by food? Why do we need food? Food is anything that gives us energy, that help us to grow, that keep our body healthy and fit. For example, milk, fruits, vegetables, pulses, egg, fish, meat and many more. So all these things we eat? Yes? So now tell me, from where we get the food? We get the food from two main sources. That is, the first one is the plants and the second one is animals. Food like fruits, vegetables, pulses, cereals, nuts we get from plants, and the food like milk, egg, fish, meat and butter we get from animals, right? So, plants and animals are very important for us. We should not hurt them. Instead, we should take care of them very properly, because if they will not be there, then from where we will get the food? So we need to take care of them very properly. So kids, the next topic is what are the different kinds of food that we eat. The food which we eat, they are categorized into 4 groups. The first one is the energy giving food. So what do you mean by energy giving food? The food that gives us energy to do any work are the energy giving food. For example, now comes second type, that is bodybuilding food. The food that builds our body, that means the food that helps us to grow, is known as bodybuilding food. The examples are third comes the protective food. Protective food. What are protective food? The food that protect us from the diseases are known as protective food. For example, now the fourth comes fiber. Fiber are the food items that we eat raw. Now what you must be thinking, that what is raw? Raw means the food that can be eaten uncooked. Otherwise we eat a food that is cooked. No, mama cooks the food for us. But some food items can be eaten uncooked. For example, now the next topic comes the classification of people according to their eating habits. Now there are 2 types of people. That is, the one who eats only the fruits, vegetables, pulses, nuts, grains, and second is the people who eat fish, egg, meat and all. So the people who eat fruits, vegetables, pulses, grains, cereals, they are known as vegetarians, and the people who eat fish, egg, meat and all these food items, they are known as non-vegetarian. Yes? Also, people love to eat junk food, right? Do you also love junk food? What are junk food? Food items like burger, pizza, cold drink, pasta. Do you all love this? Yes? So these are known as junk food. But tell me one thing, are these food healthy for us? Do they give us energy? Do they grow us? They help us in growing? Or do they protect us from the diseases? Tell me. No kids, these food items don't give us energy. They don't help us to grow. They don't even protect us from the diseases. In fact, they make us ill. If we eat lots and lots of junk food, then what will happen? We will fall sick, and then our stomach will pain. We will face so many problems if we eat so much of junk food. So we should not eat so much of junk food. Instead, we should eat little bit, like once a week or twice a month. Not more than that, because these food are not healthy for us. Now the last topic is that what are the good eating habits? That is how we should eat the food. We should know that how we should eat the food. What are the good manners? Some of the good eating habits are, first is that while eating we should wash our hands before and after the meal. Second is we should chew our food very well. We should take our food at fixed intervals. We should avoid eating food from the hawkers. We should not eat stale food or uncovered food. With this, our chapter ends. I hope you all understood about the different food items that we eat. Now I will meet you in the next video. Till then, bye-bye. Take care.